Nice. 4202 stop. Okay. So live on YouTube now, guys. Live on YouTube. Those of you who would like to join me on YouTube, please, you guys are more than welcome. I will mute the mic on Discord so that you don't listen twice to the same thing. And if you guys can just join the YouTube Power Hour, just click on the link that I just posted, because you guys are not going to be able to hear nothing here on Discord. So let's go to our YouTube and talk to the guys, eslive8.com. And for them, if they want to join our Discord, I will give them a link so they can come and join the community. All right, let's go analyze our baby EMini. Start making some money. 4208. I just told you, right? If we break 4208, let's go, guys. I just told you. And man, I'm going to take that trade right now. I see some incoming. I'm long 4208. I just saw some incoming volume coming up. Long 4208, guys, for my stuff. And let me everybody's sharing? Yes, I can see the thing. There, invite people, copy the link. There is the link. So guys, let's head out to YouTube. Those of you here in the room, you guys can stay here on Discord. Just join, please, the YouTube channel live stream so you guys don't hear twice. I'm gonna mute the mic, dropping the mic right here already on my Discord channel. Hey Caesar, what's up, man? Caesar, you are online. Caesar. Cool. All right, guys, we are live on YouTube. Thank you for being here. I just took a live trade with my guys. Oh my goodness. Live long 4208. All right. Target. Oh, you are long. Nice, Bubble. Nice. I'll be looking for the 12. Let's see if we're gonna get the 12s at least. I mean, if I get 4 points, I'll be all right. Right? I don't want to see a drop below 4205. So if I get stopped out, screw it. I get stopped out again. All right. I'm going to be trading with the guys here. So those of you here in YouTube, oh man, are they gonna stop me out? Look what they're doing. Look what the algo is doing right now. You see that drop? Look at this drop. Oh man, I cannot believe these guys. They're really algo thirsty this morning. Man, from 09 to 07. Look at that so quickly. Be careful. Be careful with this guy. Is he really trying to go for a 1? Right? Are we really trying to go for a 1? Let me look at the ladder. Because I saw some volume coming up at 06. So, Bubble, you went long 06, and I saw some very nice volume coming out of 06 as well. Where is my... There it is. Okay, cool. All right, let's see. We're going to hold this 08. That'll be nice. They are picking up. Hopefully they will pick up, guys. They will pick it up. All right. Hopefully they are going to pick up those 09 again. All right. We'll see if the volume is going to come back online. Right here on the 30 minutes. Actually, excuse me. This is a 15 minutes, right? 15 minutes. You see how we stopped. Oops, excuse me. Wrong place. You see how, oh man, how we are stopping right at the volume node on that 4204. Right? I am looking for a move back to that 4214 on the EMini. All right? I am long 4208 already. Some of my guys are long 4206. I am long the 4208. I saw a bit of a drop on the algo. I was just showing my guys. Be careful with your stops, please. You see how these guys, they dropped about 2 points, 2.5 immediately when we were printing these 10s. So we might be ringing the register for 3 points at a time. and making some money. So let's just leave it at that. All right, I want you guys to start making some money. Let's see if that's gonna hold. Take us to 14 and make some money. I'm already under by about 4.5 points, and I gave away 2 points on another trade, so I'm under about 6 points RTH so far. Couldn't grab the drop. I was under the impression we're gonna hold it, and we didn't hold the levels that I thought they were gonna hold. So right now, waiting mode on this EMini. See some hitting here, the bids. Let's see if these guys are gonna keep hitting the bids, guys. NQ 13,670. Trying to make a move and reverse this correction to inventory in the last 20 minutes. Let's see if this is going to get any legs. And then I'll move on to oil. Those of you here on YouTube for the oil setup, I'm going to talk to you about the oil. I gave that trade to my guys, premium members in the room since last Friday, to look for 66.55, 66.85 long. And those of who got it, that was a pretty nice trade. Say, Andrea, can you hear me? Andrea, FYI, we are right now in YouTube live, so you might not even hear anything here on Discord, FYI. Head out to YouTube. I'll be back with you guys here in Discord in about, maybe 20 minutes. I'll be here on YouTube for a while. Okay. 06. Man, I was telling you, right? These guys are going to stop. They are really getting me today. Boom. They are going to probably stop me out. Again, didn't want to ring the register for 1 point. But I'll be extremely, extremely humble on this trading. C period. If you look at the C period, right? We are leaving singles now for the EMini, right? We have some singles here. I'm going to mark them for you. 06, yeah, they are stopping us out today, brother. They probably going to stop me out if they print 475. Well, they stopped me out once already. Twice already, excuse me. This will be the third time they're going to stop me out, these suckers. Why is it? Did I save this? You know what? I saved these guys. Sorry. Give me 1 sec. I think I saved this the other day, and it is bad. 4212. What was the color? Because I have a color for my singles. There you go. I'm gonna save it before I screw it over. Did I change it again? Dang it. Save. There you go. Beautiful. So we have those singles. Let's see if they're going to stop me out. They have not stopped me out yet. But they will. There you go. Boom. Son of a guns. Come on. They didn't get me my order. That's surprisingly. Usually they stop me out immediately. And there you go. It stopped out. Dang it. It stopped out again. Right? Again. 3 handles. Loss. Oops, excuse me. Man, I'm going to give away all my gains on my oil in about 2 hours here. That's ridiculous. I might not lose those $2,000. There is no way I'm going to lose those $2,000. 2 distributions from overnight. Right? 2 distributions from overnight. Are we going to have 2 distributions on regular trading hours? All right, this is the question. Yeah, this is the question mark. We already have 2 distributions from overnight. Are we going to have 2 distributions on regular trading hours? That would be a first, to be honest with you. It's been a while that I don't see those type of moves, but I will continue to take my trades accordingly, right? Value area low from Friday. That's where we are. Yeah? Value area high is the target from Friday, which is halfback. If you look, this is halfback for today. Yes? So those of you who are still long the trade or who haven't taken a trade yet, those of you who have not taken a trade yet on the EMini, remember you have the low of the day. Here is your risk, right? Here is the risk, 42.02. Here is your reward. Yeah, here is your reward. So I just got stopped out. I think Bubble got stopped out as well. They went and grabbed me to 04, and look where they are now, the suckers, 07. So I'm going to scalp these guys. Man, I'm going to be scalping for 1-2 points. I hate it, but I'm going to have to do it. Right? I'm going to have to do it. If that's the move that they're going to give me, that's the move I'm going to follow along. EMini, NQ trying to hold the 13,650s. Yeah, we're going to go back to the well. Bubble, did you took the long out of 650? And your stop is a break even. That's good. Good. Don't risk more than 1.5 points. These guys are crazy today. This algo, what the hell is going on, man? This algo doesn't appear to be done yet. And I see these 42.02s here, but these I don't bother. There are not that many. But these moves, those new to the room, look at the line in the sand, 0450. You come to 04, go long, go back to 09, and get out. Okay? 04 to 09. We will be playing this range. Yes, that's right. That's right, Bubble. Here is the line in the sand. Yeah? So I'm going to place an order right now. I'm going to go long with Bubble here. If I see this 06 right now or 07 even, I will go long again in the market. I see volume picking up a bit. Let me show you guys the volume. Where is my Nicey? Nicey is picking up. 42.10 is gonna be possible. Yes, absolutely, Bubble. You're right. But look at the volume on the Nicey. 80%. Can you guys see this? 80%. Look at the amount of volume in the Nicey compared to what we did, right? On Friday. So crazy move. There you go, Bubble. You might get your 42.10 right here, Bubble. FYI, you might get that 42.10. 42.09s already. Awesome, guys. Let's see if we can get it. NQ holding again, trying to break 675. Those of you trading the NQ, look up for a reversal back to 650. All right? Look up, again, those trading the NQ, a reversal back to the 650. If we break 675, 710 is your target for the NQ traders. I know some of you guys are trading NQ, and I just want to give you a heads up. If we break 675 on the long side, then we're going to print 710. But I see the potential of 650 being tested. There you have it, already at 660 now. They just went to 72, and they gave you 665 now. There goes 664. NQ 663. 662 now. And I hate trading the NQ. You guys know me, right? I don't like trading the NQ that much. But it's pretty good here. And it's right at the bottom, my risk will be about 10 ticks on the NQ. The 660s all the way to 710. Whoa, they just drop it. Fill my order. And I think I'm going to get screwed up here. Look at the NQ. 658 right now. Just filled an order. Let's see if they're going to get it or not. Boom, 650. NQ, right? 650. And look at this mess, guys. Bubble, did you get out of your trade? Yet. Right? Because I just got long of 550. You stopped at 40. Oh, man. Yeah. I just got long 05, 42 or 550 on that drop on the ES, and I got long 50 on NQ. NQ long. This is my first long since March, guys. You know, so 13,650. It is unbelievable. I haven't traded NQ for a while. Target on the ES, I am going to get out at 09, right? 42.09 for the ES. And for the NQ, hold on, hopefully I'm going to get this money. If not, I'm going to get the hell out. Because always on that NQ, they get me. Let's see if I'm going to get those 20 points on that NQ. Look at these guys, man. Seriously, what life do these guys have? This is the line in the sun again, that 42.02 on the ES, guys. '02. No way. No way. This is fun today, Bubble. This is fun. Ah, come on, man. NQ. Okay, oil, 68.50. My 55 number on place. Let's see if I'm going to go get it right now. 68.52. 51. Come on, give me 5 ticks. Drop it. Drop it. There goes 49. Come on. Come on, sweetie. I'm looking for oil. 68. I have an order. Let's see if it's going to fill it. At least 5 points underneath my 50 number. If I get 45, guys, on oil, I'm going to scalp it. Come on, ES, show some signs of life. Take us to that 10 at least. The book showing some love here. Let's see if the book is going to push us to that 409. Another poor low, guys. This is ridiculous. Right, this is another structure, a noble double bottom right here at the, on the market profile. We drop this baby, man. We're going to that 41.90, and this will be the first day that I am down already 10 points before 10:30. The first day over 3 freaking months. The last time this happened to me was March, I think 15. What was it? March 15. That was the last time that happened to me, when we were down about 10 points before 10:30. 11:30, excuse me, Eastern time. This was the and they are about to stop me out, these guys. So, man, when was the last time I was down 10 points? Wow. It's been a freaking long time. And there you have it. They stopped me out again. What do you know? What in the world? Stopped out again. What in the world? Today, March 15th, repeat. March 18th, repeat. Yeah. Down a bit. Not a lot. Down $1,000. Down almost $1,100, I think, so far. I don't look at the P&L. I don't care. But I know the ES, 2-3 points every time, $300. Gone. So they stopped me out. March 18th, repeat. Son of a guns. I'm done. Minus, what, 9 points on the ES. And look at this. Bubble, I will reverse trend now. Now I'm a little late. I'm going to start shorting this sucker. We dropped that 42, and I'm going to take it to 42.90. So I will reverse my trades. These guys don't want to go long. They haven't found buyers here, so they will drop it. And if that's what they want, I will follow the money and go with that. Hold on, I got a message. Executed. What the heck? Oh, no, that's not an execution. Stopped out on both. Oh, my goodness, they stopped me. I forgot about the freaking NQ. NQ. Stopped. See, I'm telling you, I gave away like $400 on NQ. We did that trade, I think, in February when the tech rollover, they got me as well, so screw it. All right, reversing trend, guys. Let's go with it. That's what they want. I'll go with it. Come on, sweetie. Go back up. Go, see, look, guys. Look at they break. They just broke the double bottom, right? This is the extension that we want on C period. We just barely broke out of the initial balance. Barely breaking initial balance. Okay, that's it. I am short. Monday high. Yeah, Annette, but Monday is a short day. I'm short 01. Guys, I'm short 01. Those of you, I'm going to type it. I'm sorry. 401.50 short. I just shorted and I'm looking for the extension. Yeah. Looking for range. I'm just going to give you this range extension, right? Tie stop. I don't want to get squeezed again, right? Tie stop. I don't want to squeeze again. I want to see the range extension to the 41.90. Even the 41.95, let's see if we can get it. If we can get the 41.90, even better. But NQ not coming back. NQ is weak, right? The NQ is weak. Let's see if the ES will follow through. They didn't fill my... Oh, yes, they did. Great. Thank you so much. 45 long oil. Man, my goodness. Sorry. They filled my orders, guys. What can I tell you? Right? They just filled the 68.45 long crude oil. So I'm just giving you that as well. Those of you who are here on Discord. Maybe I can make some money back to those 69s on my oil. Who knows? Who knows? The ES move short is my extension. I'm looking for the extension, excuse me, of the initial balance. I'm looking for these 5 points. Right? And I could be late to the party. Who knows? But let's see if this freaking algo doesn't squeeze me back again. And now finally they're going to give me this 41.95. 41.90 would be great. I'll be happy with those 10 points. Extremely happy. Let's see if it's going to work. Completely screw up by not going with that AB. Right? AB initial balance one-time framing that we saw this morning. All right, here we go. Come on, give me 95. I want to take these 2 points, but I'll give it a little more room. Let's see if we're going to get this 97. Previous open, 98. That was Monday open, I believe. I don't care about Monday that much. All right, 2 points on this sucker. Man, I hate taking 2 points. I will rinse and repeat. If I see this 98, I'll rinse and repeat and get the 3 points in my pocket and come back and do it again. Let's see if they're going to give me this 98 right here. 98.25, 98.75. Oh man, what is my NQ, my TQQs? Beautiful, gorgeous. Bubble, I am tempted, man. Yes, to take some couple of points here off the hook. I was up on this baby before. You know what? The volume is coming back up again. Man, I hate this. Today, this guy's discovery mode, first day of the week. Here we go. I think so. I think you got a point right there. That's why I want to grab these 3 points, man. All right, here goes 98. If I get the 98, guys, I'm going to take my 3-4 points and close my trade. FYI, I'm just giving you an FYI on that short from 0150. Okay? I will ring the register. Come on, sweetie. 41.94. Yeah. You might think we're gonna get there, and if we get there, bubble, man, I'll make all my money back. So 97.75. I'm gonna close 2 lots here. Close, right? 97. Actually, they close freaking 98, right? I got 3.5 points on that. Finally, positive. The first positive trade. And I'm gonna put a runner on, right? I'm gonna put a runner on and the stop to break even immediately. All right? A stop to break even, guys. Target is still what Bubble just told you guys. I'm looking for that 41.94. If we can get it 41.94, that would be really nice. Because I can put my runner and leave the runner to 94 and make about 7 points on that runner. For the runner. I'm just going to put here. Right? If I can get 95, 94, I'll be happy. Get 5 points on my runner. Let's see if it is going to work, guys. Still looking for 94, 95. Oil, I am making about 400 bucks on oil. Oil now 68, 68. So, a stop to break even on my ES. That is the range extension that you guys need to look for. I'm not going to train you guys today because we are trading. But I'm going to train you guys once the market is settled and quiet. Why did I take that short? Why did I went short off that initial balance? Looking for this 94. And we have singles. Don't forget. Market, please mark them down. 42.10, 42.12 singles on the market profile today. That would be interesting if we get 2 distributions today. We are going to mimic the same distributions from overnight. That would be really interesting. I haven't seen that in a while. 2 distributions from overnight, and then we're going to have 2 distributions on RTH. That would be interesting. And like I mentioned before, and I think I misread completely the market this morning, was a potential to get a B-shape, right? We're going to get one of those B-shape potential for the EMini. Look at them trying to come back and trying to reclaim 4,200, right? Look at the price auction all the time, please. All the time. Follow the price auction and you'll be good, right? Again, man, it's so beautiful. So beautiful. If we go back inside this 5-day value, yeah? If we go back inside this 5-day value, right here is the value. Yeah? Right here is the top of the value. No, I would say here's the top of the value. There. Right? The 42.10. Yeah? You are right inside of value, your 5-day value right here. This is the 5-day balance. Yeah? And look where you are today. Same place. Right? I didn't see it. I did get blind going short, going long, hit on the 08s. I get a little sidetrack. I got sidetracked right here instead of looking for balance in this area. That was my fault this morning. So, my stopped right there, same place, 0150. I am not going to lose nothing on my runner. I already closed 2 lots, make 300 bucks, 350, whatever the hell it is. If they stop me out here, I will wait and look for a retest of this low of the day. I am sure Bubble maybe took already the long at 98. Bubble, did you grab the 98 long? Look, D period, guys. All right, very important. The guys in the room, please pay attention here. The newbies. Look where D period opens. We are still one time framing lower. Look at the D. If D goes inside the initial balance, if the D period that we just opened goes inside the initial balance to 204. They test it and they hold the 200 level. Your target is that 10 for the rest of the day. I will repeat it again. They stopped me out, guys. The runner stopped out. They just stopped me out a break even. Beautiful trade. It stopped out a break even. I didn't lose nothing. Okay. Nothing on the runner. That's not bad. Let's see if I can grab it. But pay attention to this move, guys. On the D period. If this is the extension that we get for today, the buying tail, so be it. Right? If this was the buying tail for today, so be it. Look for a move back to those 42.08. If any one of you grab the long underneath the 4,200, if any one of you took those 98s or 97s, whatever, look for a move. Start taking some profit to begin with. Start taking some profit. And number two, start looking for the move back inside the initial balance. Those new guys in the room, the IB, I referred to it on the IB. If we go back inside the initial balance is the first hour of trading. Is 2 periods. Every period on the market profile is equal to 30 minutes. AMB is what we call it. AMB, that is your initial balance. So if we start printing money inside the initial balance and we hold, right, and we hold this low on D period, right, if you hold a low on D, the good chances is we're going to revisit 08, 06 and get 6 points out of this baby. All right. I hope you guys understood. Let me go back to my YouTube. I have no clue if you guys have questions or not. Let me open up my YouTube and put it back here so that I can see it. So the trade will be hold the low right about now. Okay. We need to hold this low on the D, right? Hold it right on the D period right here. Hold it. Come back inside the balance. Test it. All right. Test the baby. Start going back to 06, potential 08. Let me look at the order flow a little bit right here on 05s. I see some money stepping in out of 5 and some more money here at the 95s. They still want to get the 95s, right? 97s. They still want to go get those 97s, guys. And this could be your double bottom that I just told you. Look at them trying to come back, right? They are trying to come back. Let's see. Oh, man. I think I just missed that long right here at 99. I might have just missed that 99 for a couple of points. All right. I'm going to leave it here in the room. For those of you, I'm going to leave it on the screen. Let's see if I'm going to revisit this 98, 99s, I'll take the long trade right here. Right? I'm placing my order. I'll take the long right here. My risk will be this small risk. I'm happy if I can take this risk and get this reward. Yeah. Europeans are closed, right? Not yet. Guys, I'm gonna close my oil. Let me go back to my oil trade because I'm gonna lock in this $600 on my oil. Oil, boom, 71. I just closed it. Actually, they closed me at 68. 68. Guys, they closed me at $68.68 on my oil because I'm making money on that oil as well. So from 45, I got about 33 ticks, which is about 660 on 2 lots. All right. I recovered the money that I was losing on my ES early in the morning. And now the move on the ES, again, they're trying to come back on this 4,200. Let's see if it's going to happen or not. Price auction. I'm just observing the price auction that they got. Come on, sweetheart. Give me 98s, please, so I can start taking some small. We're still one-time framing. I don't want to be giving you guys ideas to go long all crazy. We are still one-time framing lower, right? We are still one-time framing lower. Nothing has changed since the moment we opened the market. Where is my Think or Swim? Where are you? There it is. All right, let me go back to the ES here and put this in the 30 minutes. Okay. There you go. Put that. Oops, they not 100, not 100. I just want 2 lots, 2 or 3 lots right here on the 95s. So they rejected my order to go long 100 lots. Of course they will reject it. I don't have that much money. You will need about $1.2 million to buy 100. All right. EMini 99. I did not rinse and repeat on that 01. Otherwise, I would have two points, excuse me, 2 points already under my belt. But I didn't rinse and repeat at the 01. Excuse me. All right. Let me get some money. Nice. Look at the exit. What a perfect exit. I never done this exit on the oil. First time I exited right at the top on that move. Guys, oil back at 68.60. Let's see if we can rinse and repeat. Oil, those of you following oil, look for the 68.45 to go long again, and maybe we can make another $1,000 on oil today. That would be beautiful. Cool. Man. Monday high. Annette, are you in the room? Where are you? Annette? I don't know if Annette is in the room. Annette, did you took that high from Monday? I'm pretty sure you did. But we just tagged the open from Monday. I mean, the high of Monday, excuse me. We just tagged it. And she loves that mechanical trade. Maybe she went long those 98s. I just missed the trade because I put my order right there underneath, right at 98 even. And look at these suckers just go. My order was a 98 even. And these guys, they just gave me 98.50. Anyone reloading, be careful. Go for those 3 points, please. 3 to 4 points and get out. 3 to 4 points and get out on the EMini, please. But they just tagged that overnight. Excuse me, that previous day high, which was Monday. I really don't care. Monday is, half days. You don't get that a lot of volume, but very mechanical. What is important is the mechanics of it. Who is trading with you today? Not the commercial money. Only the Chicago guys, right? Only the retail. So you're going against day traders. I don't even see, well, maybe later we can see some guys stepping in, buying these 90s. Some swing traders, maybe some position traders, buying around this area. If we hold this 91 level, we might see a small move back into the, 4200s towards the end of the day. But as of right now, it looks pretty quiet. Selling, the algo is off now, kind of bottoming out right here, right? So look at the bigger picture on the algo. I think the algo is done. What do you see, Bubble? Something that I don't see. Because Bubble, I see these guys bottoming out here just a tiny bit. And even though we do have 94, what is the move here? Yeah, no push-ups today so far. I saw these guys sitting at 95, right? Some orders were sitting here. They did not. They pulled them off, I think. They pulled a couple of them off. So for a Monday, guys, like Bubble was showing, I think it looks like it's bottoming out right here. I believe everybody's waiting for Europe to be done, Europe to be closed. We still have another 10 minutes to go, I believe, on Europe. 10, 20 minutes. But yeah. We'll see. We'll see. We'll keep still, right? The move is one time framing lower. Right? Don't get all crazy ideas of catching a falling knife. I do play the extremes. I do not catch a falling knife. There is a completely different story behind buying the lows and selling the highs. It's all about value. It's all about price action. So this morning they were strong though. I thought the DAX, I think, was up almost 1.5%. Oh yeah, 1.6 in the morning, right? How is it right now? Only 1% now? So they are taking a little money off the table on Europe. Okay. That makes sense. Okay, so we are bottoming out here, guys. I do not have a trade on yet on the EMini, but I see them trying to go back inside the range. Okay, I see them trying to go back inside the initial balance range. They are trying. If they get this move, we will go to 42.08. That's about 6 points that I'm giving you now, right? It's about 6 points. The risk is the low, which is 98. It's about, you're risking 4 to make 6 points on the ES. Not a bad trade. It's almost a 1-to-1, 1.5 to 1. Okay. So I missed my 98 even because I want to go long 98 even, and I missed it. And there you have it. There you have it. Now you are inside the range, inside the initial balance range. All right. The move is, if you're long, take it to 06, take it to 08 and 09. Okay. I was just talking about that. And look, some buyers are showing up already. Bottom ES, bottom and ES. Annette, you know that I hate to call them bottoms, right? I hate to call bottoms because I don't call bottoms. It's just stupid to call bottoms. But what I did say is that the algo is bottoming out. The algo is run already out of this, you know, out of the sellers maybe. They found some buyers here at the 42, which was expected. And maybe now they are going to push up to the value. It's all about value. They are looking for the value. What is the value, guys? Value is here. Oh, excuse me. The value is right here. Here is the value. So they got to go back to the mean, right? Always, if you play the extreme, where are you going? Back to the mean. And that's what I told you guys. If you guys are long 98s, you guys are long 99s, look for 06, excuse me, 04, 06, 09. That's the move to take on the EMini, right? That was it. I missed the 98. I just missed it by freaking 2 ticks, right? I didn't hit my market order. Instead of my oil is coming back to 57 now. Oil traders, 68, 55. Those of you here on Discord, guys, I am muted. Caesar, guys, I am muted here on Discord. You guys should be on YouTube. Okay. Nice move of the lows. Annette, are you long? Annette, are you here? Maybe she's here. Oh, maybe she's in YouTube. Sorry. Okay, good. Good trading, man. That's good trading. That was good trading. Excited, 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 excited. Okay, baby oil. Oil is coming back to my 40s. Let's see if we're going to get it. Oh, man, your phone didn't hook it up. Come on. Got you, Annette. Making big bucks, Annette. I know. I know you. Man, look at this move, 05. Mother flowers. All right. I'm sorry. Excuse my language, guys. I hate it when they leave me hanging right at the 98. That was a nice 6 points. All right, here goes. Oil 68.50. Let's see if I can rinse and repeat. What are these babies trying to do? We have 68.23. I'm going to put the oil back, guys, for the guys that trade oil with me. So the gap, we close the gap, okay? So I will delete this drawing. We don't no longer need it. I just deleted that drawing. Let me go back to oil quickly, really quick. All right. Look at the oil balance right on the volume. The trade that the first trade I took was here, from value area low to value area high. This was the first trade, RTH, that I done. Look at them trying to print now, right around 68.36, 68.24. Look at these two levels on oil, okay? On the oil. Oil really strong today. We're up almost 3%, 3.5% on oil. So, what is the move? Those of you who know me, a little bit underneath. Look what they just did, guys. Holy moly. Look at that. They just came value area low, back to the point of control, target, value area high. Another 600 bucks. That's how you trade oil, right? So let's see if it's going to happen. I will place an order right underneath. Let's see if they are not going to let me hang in. So far, the move is that we rejected the 69. I love it. I love it because I want to get them here on the 68 level and on the 67 again. So I can collect another $4,000 on that trade. All right. So currently printing underneath 55, 10 ticks underneath. Looking for this low and this low to hold. If these babies hold right here, taking my long around the 28, maybe 30 cents, take it back up to 60. I'm going to repeat again. I am looking oil long 68.26, maybe 68.36, somewhere around this area. Right here, I want to go long. There is my risk. Here is my reward. All right, there is my reward all the way to the top. At least all the way to the volume, the VPOC right here. At least back to 68.60. So, heads up. Looking for oil to make a couple of $1,000 today. I'm already up almost 2,500 on oil. So, beautiful trade so far. What is the ES doing? Nothing. Seriously. Right? Absolutely nothing. Man, it's boring. It appears to be a Monday, which actually it is a Monday for us today because yesterday we were closed. So what are the potentials move on oil? On the ES? The potential is for us to trade a B-shaped profile. It is early in the day, but we might trade a B profile today for the EMini. So look for these ranges between 42.06 and 41.95 on that EMini. Those who went long, I ask you, ring your register. Watch out in case we get out of the initial balance. Be on the lookout for this move. Just be on the lookout. All right? We're still one-time framing. Look, one-time framing, one-time framing, one-time framing. One-time framing. This is what we call it on market profile, right? If you push a 30-minute candle, and let me put it right here on the screen. This is what we refer to as a one-time framing. Every half an hour of your candles, the high, every single high is lower than the previous one. Unless you break one of them, then we call this a stopping one-time framing. So far, we have not stopped one-time framing. So, guys, it is 11:20. Do you guys have any questions? I'm about to go back to my premium members on Discord. If you guys have questions on Discord, please go post them on Discord, and we're going to be trading for the rest of the day. I am almost back to even for the day, even though I was down almost 10 points on the EMini as we started the day. I have recovered most of the money. Still waiting for EMini to give me some other signal right on this area. Yeah, I'm still waiting. Waiting mode. There is nothing wrong with being cash. All right? Cash is a position. I don't need to have a trade all the time. But this is the potential for today. If we can erase this and start moving higher here, that would be amazing. But it will require volume to come in, and I don't see volume. I mean, look at the order flow. Look at the ladder for today, right? What is my ladder? I think, hide it behind, right? The ladder is not looking like that big, but we might, man, if we can get it, if we can just get above this 05 or 06, that will give me the trade 210s on the EMini. So look for those moves, those of you who are trading the ES today. Let's go back to oil. There it goes, oil. 26, right? They just filled my order. Oil, long, 26, excuse me. Let me post it for you guys in the room, and let me give you guys also 220.21. Why is this? What the heck is going on here? Oh, hold on. There. Look at with the printing money, right? Here's the initial balance low. I always have it on the ladder at all times. My initial balance, yeah. I always have it on my ladder. So every time I see the ladder, I will be looking for that number, right, to come up. Some volume is being printed right around these levels on the 04s, and this might give me that 09. So if you guys are long that, man, kudos. You guys can grab maybe 5 points on that baby. Okay, wow. Hold on, let me go back to oil, because now oil pulling below the low of the day, and this is not good, because I want to make sure I don't give away my 600 bucks here. 26. Oh, let me post it. I don't want to post it for you guys in the room. Man, if this 26 doesn't hold, I'll be concerned, because my long is 67s. I want to grab them at 67s, right? I could have added here easy below. If I see these 68s, I might add it to my trade, guys, right? If I see this 68, man, that would be so sweet. Take it from 68 to 70. There are some OPEC talks going on. I posted early on in the morning. So those of you should know what happened, right? OPEC can move the markets. One comment, that's all you need. So I'll be looking for that as well. Are they going to print and go do the same thing on the ES? Because here are the singles. I'll take my loss, 10 ticks. I'll take this loss, guys. I will close it. Guys, hold on. I'm going to close it. There, done. I'm out. Son of a gun. I'm out. Close. 68.10. I lost 16 ticks on this trade. I gave away 16 ticks. I'll tell you why I closed it. I'm going to tell you why I closed it right now. This, you see it. Look at my closing. I closed it perfectly. Look where they are heading. Right there. Look at that. Now, here is the second distribution. We might get this oil much cheaper. I just got out. And this is where my happy face will be, because I want to grab it on 67 bucks. That's why I took my loss, 16 ticks. I gave away 300 bucks. But I'm fine with it, because I want to get them here. This is the top of that. Let me go back to the candlesticks to show you. That is the top of our... what is my CL here? There you go. Let me show it. And full disclosure here, right? As a position trader, this is what I was looking for last week. Yeah. There, the breakout out of the pennant. Okay. But if I can get them back again here at the top of the pennant, that would be freaking awesome. So I close mine. Done. I'm out. I don't care if this thing goes up now. I'm closing. I'm placing an order right on the 67.50. Just in case I see that pullback. We're still up almost 2%, almost 3% now. But if we can retrace at least to 67, right? 67.50. This is my long, my next long on oil. And my 67 number, which is the 66.85, which is the long from last night. I went long last night, 66.90 on oil. That's how I make about $3,500 overnight. So that's what I have on oil. That's why I got out of it. That was the reason I hit the freaking button, flattened that crap, and they got me at 68.10, whatever. Yeah, 68.10. Even though I was looking for the move out of my market profile to hold. But once you get out of this, the same thing I just teach you on the ES. Once you're out of the initial balance, you will get a range extension. And look at this baby go. Woo, baby, baby. Just come to Papa. Just come to Papa. I will be waiting for that sucker. All right, go back to EMini. What the heck is the EMini doing? Absolutely nothing. But we are inside the initial balance range, right? You are balancing here. This is the line in the sand, 4202. If you are long, I don't know if any of you guys went long. 4202s is the line in the sand, B period low. Yeah, and the move is to take us slowly to that 4210, 4209. Okay, are we all good? It is 11:26. Thank you very much for being here in the YouTube live. I hope you guys learned something. We did a couple of trades live, a couple of screw ups early on with my guys in the room. We got all the money back. Going back to Discord now, guys. I will take 5-minute break, get a glass of water, and come back to you guys on Discord. We will be making some more money on oil and on EMini. So let's head out there, guys. Thank you so much. Don't forget, give a thumbs up to the videos if you learned something out of our YouTube channel. And please don't forget to subscribe. If you're new to the room, just give it a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I'll go live. We are live every single day so far at 10:30 Eastern time here in YouTube. All right, guys, take care. God bless. Have a beautiful day in the trading pits. See you tomorrow morning. Oh, wait. Hold on, guys. My wife just passed me a note. Tomorrow morning, I am not going to go live. Well, maybe I will. This is what I'm going to do tomorrow. Please follow me on Twitter. I will tell you the schedule for tomorrow. I have a doctor appointment at 11. Now, the doctor is about 15 minutes from my house. Thank God. This doctor. And I will be probably go live pre-market with you guys and have fun. Why not? Have fun pre-market and maybe trade for maybe an hour and then I'll be back. All right? So that's the schedule for tomorrow morning. See you guys.